Alright, so we're here with not an anthem, a very familiar face. You know, to all of you guys, Coach Karumie, congrats first of all. And we need to walk up. Tell me how you feeling right now. Alright, watch. Can't believe now we even did. And the third one this. You see that one here? The one that come from the 2-point cool, straight up. Tivoli garden. Alright, Coach, and why does this one mean so much to you? So them youngsters here, them special. They're very, very special. And so if you don't know if you be with youngsters, you will just put them aside. Here we go X, and then you come one here and say, Jesus. But you go sit down and meditate and ask the Almighty, say, alright. Think about yourself as a youth. What you used to do? I'm going to come back and say, I'm going to try again. I'm going to try again. I will try again. And I will try. Remember me tell you, love them. Coach, a very hard defeat to Mona High School. You know, that placed you guys in this competition. What did you say to the boys after that game? To pull out such an outstanding performance in the warm-up? You see, Mr. Allman teaches wisdom. And so to win money cup, you have to have food. One heap of food. You know, one heap of food. So we go the next round and I give you a money cup and I balance yourself. So I sit down and meditate and tell you myself. We're going to train Saturday, you know. And if we don't train Saturday, we're going to lose them. And based on who I come, me know based on how me play more now. They can't stop me! Finally, Coach, send a message to all the Tivoli supporters who believe in these boys. Probably innocent in Islamic. I want to send a message to them right now. First thing I want to say, big up Haile, Selassie. All of this is the Spanish Town Road. You understand? Come and tell my coach, I'm a friend. We not ready, you know. Now we're there final. That's two Spanish Town BSD. We don't need the corporate sector on the line. Support the school there. I will show them magic we can show. Tivoli Garden, Denham Town, Grassy, Oxford Street, everywhere. Alright, coach, thank you.